principal for his effort behind the screen along the principal ma'am. Ma'am, thank you for being with us always. By the strong will of Sri and Srimati Sheetla Sahai ji in year 19 with a strong-hearted personality E.W. Singh ma'am. She contributes in numerous years as a principal in the School of Nursing CHRI and as a coordinator for girls hospital.
लड़की ये बैटिंग क्यों लगा रखी है? अगर ये करना नहीं आता तो
To be great, some make their own destiny. Thus, we, the students of our cancer family, stand here to pay tribute and homage to the builders of successful cancer hospital and research institute. किसी भी चीज को सफलता के लिए जरूरत होती है मेहनत, अटल विश्वास तथा उम्मीद, और इन्हीं तीनों बहुमूल्य बातों का मिश्रण रहे हैं हमारे कैंसर परिवार को बनाने वाले सब। अब सभी को हम बच्चों की तरफ से शत शत नमन। हमारे बुजुर्गों ने हमसे कहा है, जिससे मैं की हवा लगी उसे ना दुआ लगी ना दवा लगी।
Good evening all of you. My name is Sadhna Kuswaha from Banda, UP, and my hobby is singing. Thank you.
Good evening all of you. My name is Akash Malik from Jhansi. My hobby is playing cricket and reading books. Thank you.
Good evening to all of you. My name is Sabir Khan. My hobby is singing.
Good evening everyone. Myself Karuna Karan from Bihar. I love poem writing. Thanks.
Good evening all of you. Myself Amta Kushwaha from Mahoba. My hobby is listening songs. Thank you.
Good evening all of you. Myself Priyanka Malavari. I am from Gwalior. My hobby is mending. Thank you.
Please serve in the title. I came from Jaipur. My hobbies are singing and dancing. Good evening everyone. My name is Prashansa Shah. I am from Pratapgarh and my hobby is singing.
Good evening all of you. My name is Piyush Sharma. I आनंदनगर कॉलोनी सहपुर तक एक आपके आगे एक कविता प्रस्तुत करना चाहता हूँ। आप सबकी आज्ञा चाहिए। अपने मन में डर का कोई बीज न बोने देना, अपने मन में डर का कोई बीज न बोने देना, स्वयं सजोया सपना भी हरगिज मत सोने देना, स्वयं सजोया सपना भी हरगिज मत सोने देना, लक्ष्य तुम्हारे चल चूमने चल कर खुद आएगा, लक्ष्य तुम्हारे चरण चूमने चल कर खुद आएगा, बशर्त एक है बस अपनी हिम्मत मत खोने देना, शर्त एक है बस अपनी हिम्मत मत खोने देना।
Don't you think kids are more creative?
How do you mean?
I mean the kids are more talented and there is still one level left to be forecasted.
So please put your hands together for the most awaited part of the evening. That is,
Any guesses? That is modeling. An official most of the Walt Disney, he was created by Walt Disney in 1928, an anthropomorphic mouse who wears typically red shorts, large yellow shoes and white gloves. Mickey has become one of the world's world's most recognizable characters. Many was assigned in the fashion of the flapper girls. Minnie's early personality was playful, musical and frivolous, and never or a musician that Mickey is trying to win the affection. Aladdin and Princess Jasmine. Aladdin was a street rat in the town of Agrabah. Met Princess Jasmine when she went out of the place and went into the market, disguised herself as a commoner. She had hurt herself in her eyes.
When we get old, will we walk down the same road? Will you be there by my side? Standing strong as the waves roll over. When the nights are long, longing for you to come home. All around, the wind blows. We would only hold on to let go. Yes, when we need someone to lean on. Yes, all we need is somebody to lean on. Yes, when we need someone to lean on. Yes, all we need is somebody to lean on.
Johnny Bravo is the main protagonist and the antagonist of the series. The character is memorable for his incredible fast movements, which were accompanied by the length thread of the whip sound effect. Barbie has been an important part of the toy fashion doll market for every 15 years and has been the subject of numerous controversies and lawsuits, often involving parody of the doll and her lifestyle. She had a significant impact on social values by exploring characteristics of female independence and with her multitude of accessories and idealized upstate lifestyle. Powerpuff Girls. The show centers on Blossom, Bubbles and Buttercups. Three girls with superpowers. In addition, the girls have to deal with the normal issues that young children face, such as sibling rivalries, loose teeth, personal hygiene, going to school, bedwetting, or dependence on a security blanket.
When you walk on the sidewalk, innocent, remember, all we did was care for each other. But the night was warm, we were bold and young. All around, the wind blows, we were
Shin-Chan. Crayon Shin-Chan, also known as Shin-Chan. It follows the adventures of the 5-year-old boy and his parents' baby sister, and a dog. Shin-Chan is a mischievous behavior and naughty boy. Popoy and all. Pokemon. Misty, known as Kasmi in Japan, is a fictional character in the Pokemon. She has appeared as a gym leader. She specializes on water-type Pokemon. S is the main protagonist of the Pokemon. Popoy and all. Popoy is a short, folding, toothless sailor and a very unlikely hero if one looks at him from the today's perspective. Olive, the girlfriend of Popoy, is also very different as she is as a pauper and much taller than Popoy. She is a fickle-minded girl.
Good evening to all. Myself is Babita Soni from Agra. Thank you.
Good evening to all of you. My name is Bilal Chaudhary from Delhi NCR. My hobby is singing. Thank you.
Good evening, all of you. My name is Anam Kamadori. I came from Gwalior. My hobby is modeling, dancing, and singing. Thank you.
Good evening, all of you. Myself, Ram Sevakuri. I am from Gwalior. My hobby is playing cricket.
Good evening, all. Myself, Yamini Srivas. I live from Bilaspur. My hobbies are singing.
Good evening, all of these. My name is Ankit Pal. I am from Gwalior. My hobby is cricket and kabaddi. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Raja from Manipur and my hobby is modeling.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Kajal Sehgal. I am from Morena and my hobby is dancing. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Nanjana from Manipur, and my hobbies are singing, dancing.
Good evening, everyone. I am Abhinja Jos. I am come from Kerala and my hobbies are dancing and modeling.
Good evening to all of you. Myself, Abhishek Kadara from Bharatpur, Rajasthan. My hobby is pro wrestling kabaddi. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Harshita Srivastav from Dabra. My hobby is dancing. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Radhakant Sharma from Kanpur, Rajasthan. My hobby modeling.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Ms. Priyanka Gautam. I'm from Jharkhand and I love to dance. Thank you.
Good evening, all of you. My name is Devak Tamoli from Gangapur City, Rajasthan, and my hobby is badminton. Good evening, everyone. My name is Shrikant Baghel from Dholpur. My hobby is kabaddi and cricket.
Good morning, club. My name is Devesh Parmar from Dholpur. My hobby is playing cricket.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Pratiksha Charan and I'm from Agra and my hobby is dancing and singing.
Good evening, all of you. Myself, Dastam Goel, I am from Rajasthan, and my hobby is playing cricket.
Good evening, all of you. My name is Dheeraj Sharma from Rupdas, Bharatpur, Rajasthan. My hobby racing.
My name is Mr. Ganesh Kumar Sharma from Dholpur, Rajasthan. My hobby is playing cricket.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Soni. I'm coming from Kerala. My hobby is cooking and traveling.
Myself, Sandeep Tomar from Dholpur. My hobby is playing cricket. Thank you.
Good evening, all of you. My name is Gaurav Tiwari. I am from Bharatpur, Rajasthan, and my hobby is poem writing. मैं आपको कुछ सुनाना चाहता हूँ। न मैं गिरा न मेरी उम्मीदों के मीनार गिरे, न मैं गिरा न मेरी उम्मीदों की मीनार गिरे, लेकिन कुछ लोग मुझे गिराने में कई बार गिरे। और बेवक्त बेवजह बेहिसाब मुस्कुरा देता हूँ जनाब, बेवक्त बेवजह बेहिसाब मुस्कुरा देता हूँ। अपने आधे दुश्मनों को तो मैं यूं ही हरा देता हूँ। पोएम सुनाने की तो मन था मेरा, लेकिन अब टाइम नहीं है। कि वक्त नूर को बेनूर बना देता है, वक्त छोटे से जख्म को नासूर बना देता है। और कौन चाहता है इस वक्त यहाँ से जाना, पर वक्त है जो सबको मजबूर बना देता है। टाइम की वजह से जाना पड़ेगा मुझे।
My name is Lucas Matthew. I am coming from Kerala. My hobby is traveling with my buddies.
बड़े ही कम शब्दों में आपको सुनाना चाहता हूँ उस साल का लोकप्रिय गीत ये। सलाम ले जाता हुआ उड़न खटोला और बीन बजाती हुई नागिन।
क्यों न जाए तू हो वीर रसिया, तुझे है तो मैं सारी दुनिया। कहाँ है बदरी की दुल्हनिया, दुल्हनिया।
पे तेरी मलू गुलाल, रंग बता ब्लू या लाल,